Good afternoon. My name is Dave with Snake River Rifle Works, and today we received this awesome Haas TL-1 lathe. It's a 2024 and it has a 3,000 RPM 3.5-inch spindle. I was able to talk with the Haas dealer, and they were able to add 4 M codes for approximately $300 or so, and instead of having the 8 for $2,000. So I was like, well, if they were able to work some magic like that, I'll just go ahead and keep the tailstock they were trying to sell me. So I was going to see how that's going to work out. Just a beautiful, beautiful machine, inside and out. Left enough room here for control panel. Here's some of the, oh man, just look at it. Just pure sexiness. This is my first CNC machine, and it's going to take a little bit to get, but I'm definitely glad I'm showing up to the CNC game and ready to build some precision rifles. Thanks for checking us out.